Good morning students. In this video I am going to show styles part 2. Open the writer, then copy the text, select all, then copy, then go to here and paste. Okay, so those who are not watched previous video of style part 1, please watch part 1 and come to this video. This is the second video. Okay, now select styles and formatting. In our previous video I already discussed about the styles and formatting, where it is the shortcut key. Go to the properties and select style formatting, or else go to the format, select the styles and formatting, both are same. Okay, now I want to apply style. See here, first select any one text. Remember, you want to apply any styles, always you have to be in the character style. Okay, so here I am applying bold size and increasing the font size, bolding and applying the color. So for this you have to apply, go to the here of your new style, select new style from selection, type your name. Here I am typing my name, style name. Okay, see here my name is came. Now select the text. I want this style for the means, then select the Rafiq here, then click the OK button. See here, like this. Okay, remember, whenever you want to apply any style, new style, you have to be always in the character style. Okay, now again I'm selecting this one and select the style name. You can create your own. Okay, like this. Here again I'm selecting by using field format mode also you can select. Okay, so first of all select this one, select field format. Now you select, you have to in the character style. Select the style, enter OK. See here, like this. Remember, you have to be always select the character style and select the style you want, like this. Okay, so if you to quit field format mode, just press escape button. Okay, again I will show you how to use field format. So just you select the paragraph, go to here, select default. Okay, now select any one. So this time I will take this one, change the font size, bold, increase the font size also, and this time I will take the pink color to show you. Okay, this one, and you have to be in the character style, select new style from selection, put the name demo. Okay, now see here, where is demo? D here is there, like this. Okay, now select the style, go to the field format mode. See here, like this you can select. Okay, field format mode. Okay, now I will show you how to update the style. Again press the escape button, go to the default, press the enter button. Now see here, you are applying the style, bold, increasing the font size again, and putting the color. Now this, and I am putting the name, example. Okay, see here. Now I will change the color here, blue. Okay, now it is changes the and this color is changed. Now update. What I will do? Update styles here. If I apply here, it will select here like this. You can update the style. Now last one is the load style. So three styles will be there. So here my name is there, Rafiq. Example is there. Then you save here. Just you put example. Put it on the desktop. Click the save button. Then go to the file. Select new text document. And select this one. Paste it here. Okay. Now styles and formatting. Here you have to load style. So from file, go to the ex, open. Go to the character style. Now here you will find mine. See here. Example here, select ex. Now this time it will come to blue color. See here, like this you can do the. So in this way you can use styles, apply styles, fill format menu, update the styles in OpenOffice Writer. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.